Good morning. Look at that. Fresh cut. Looking sexy. Anyway, now we get to finish the cladding. Alright, so just a quick recap here. The last time I did a video, I was putting on these trims around the window, and the owner decided to change his mind and made them wider. So that's me doing it again. Fun times. Okay, so now I'm just laying the corners, making the corners nice and flush. Gotta use a clamp because I'm doing it by myself, and it's much easier if you just clamp it to the window and screw it off. There you go. Nice and professional. Oh man! Somebody have a look at this. Somebody have a look at this. So professional. Ooh-wee. Now we get to throw on some boards. Hey guys, so we're nearly done there. Look at that. Oh man, that looks freaking sick behind me. Harlan's just changing the blade in one of the saws that we got because now we're cutting fiber cement and not timber, so we need a different blade for that. So Harlan's doing that at the moment. It is really hot nowadays in Sydney. Freaking hot. But we're still doing it. So yeah, hopefully you'll see us when we're done all this. Oh man, that looks so slick. Ooh, nice, huh? Goddamn. Oh man, this. Sometimes you just have one of those days, eh, where your hairstyle is just on point. Hey, Harlan, do you have any of those days where your hairstyle is just, and you can't stop looking at yourself? Holy smoker! Anyway, serious talk. So we've put markings on the walls over there using this. This is called a story rod. It's pretty much what your spacings for every single board is going to be. Now you take this. Anyway, you take this, you mark it on your walls over here, and in theory, if you carry those lines all the way around the house, they should line up. So it's looking good so far. It's hot. It's like 30 something degrees now. Oh my goodness. Whew. But I wouldn't have it any other way. I love doing what I do, and I hope you guys enjoy watching what I do. See ya. And just like that, it's done. Looks vastly different. Holy moly. As you can see, nice and mighty. Joints. Looks mint. Did it? It was hot. Me and Harlan. Harlan soldiered on through. He has a sore wrist. Don't ask me why. But he has a sore wrist, so yeah, he soldiered on and did it. How you feeling, bro?
Real good.
So good. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Oh man, I still look good with this friggin' hairstyle. God damn.